Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I know I haven't posted my videos for a long time. It's because I was busy with my job. I work in a department which organizes summer camp, and this year we are having a different experience because summer camps are online. So my job is to teach them activity class in which I'm gonna do some DIY, or you can say mini science projects. And beside giving them the online classes, I also need to collect all the stuff which they need for the projects and pack them, and then those packages are shipped to them. Today is the first day of summer camp, and this morning I got a text from my boss that it's gonna be 95 Fahrenheit this afternoon, which is quite hot for Minnesotans, and I can work from home because it's too hot. And I realized that I forgot the stuff for project in my office, and I need to get it before the class starts, and the class will start at 2 p.m. so let's go. And before starting the class, I'm gonna wipe my hands.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down.
Kinda nervous and excited at the same time. Just to let you know that these kids are of grade 3rd and 4th. I think it will be fine.